Today we're going to bring a adjustable monitor stand. It could go up to 10 kilograms. It's flexible enough to actually lift and drop. So if you have a monitor that doesn't have that feature, you can actually add this into that monitor to actually elevate to your eye level. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see how it works. All right, so let's open it up. Just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out to us to review. So right now, if you guys can see, there's a couple of things you can do. They have the elevation for certain brands, right? If you have a Mac, this is a perfect thing for a Macintosh, right? You can elevate your actual monitor easily on the stand itself. And there's a lift mechanism that we're gonna review, and it's easy to actually set up. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up and see how it looks. So I like that they give you everything in here, including the Allen wrench, all the tools you're gonna require, including the actual instructions. So prior to doing this, you don't need any tools. Everything's included in the setup. So we're going to put it together right now. And they give you a couple of rubber ends here. Of course, we have the actual neck here. I'm going to take it apart, right? We're going to flip this here, get this in the bottom. We already got the two of them here. Set one up here. They're flush too already, so it's not going to interfere with anything. If you have a desk or anything like that, get our Allen wrench ready. That's included with the system, with the whole setup. Get it going. We're going to get the other one going too. All right, now we got the bottom set up. Now we're going to go to the top. If you guys notice the top, there are also some two indentations, all right, that you got to again make sure. And they belong to here, and the other ones are flush. So eye on that one. Nice and tight on that one. Now, there's a leftover screw just in case you lose one. This one's actually going to be to actually hold the actual monitor. So the monitor could actually fit in here. If you have a short monitor or a Mac display, you could actually fit it in here. And I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do. This is the side angle, right? This is pretty much side angle. Now, to lift it up, you could unscrew this, simple, and this actually expands, all right, if you guys can see it. And then you just tighten it up. That's pretty much what you do. So side angle, and I'm pushing it, and it's really strong in here. So you want to make sure you put the monitor in here, and this is pretty much just to lock it in. And they give you two different sizes to actually mount the actual monitor in there and lock it in here. This is actually pretty much like a doorstop material. It's like a silicone made material. So that's pretty much what you got. It's not for laptops. It's too small for a laptop. It will be enough for an actual monitor. If you have a monitor, a MacBook, or a smaller monitor that takes less of a footprint, this is perfect for that. So bottom end, there's some rubber ends here, silicone rubber ends, so it won't actually scratch any tables. This is all aluminum based. It's going to reflect your existing monitor that you currently have. I like that it drops down, pushing it down easy, and just tighten it up. So let's go ahead and see what we can do with this. All right, what a lot of people are using this for, if you guys can see it, it's a little bit larger than the actual stamp, but it's perfect because all you got to do is come in here and lock it in there. You go lock this in there and it won't move completely. So if you have a monitor, that's a perfect stand for this. You could reach it higher and it'll be eye level for you. So it's not that bad. You can actually increase the size of it, like I said, and decrease in, of course, this will be perfect enough to also, you could place things underneath of it. Your computer can go underneath of it. This is an actual computer underneath. Your keyboard has more room. So it keeps you at an eye level. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.